Hello viewers, this is Jobis TV. Please, if you have been watching my video without subscribing, please help me to subscribe, like, and leave your comment below. Today, I want to talk about this topic, advice to people that hustling and say, I am in the street, I'm hustling. This advice to you people. When you and somebody do business, please don't eat their money. When you and somebody do business and that business pay, give the person his own share and take your own share. A lot of people now, there are some video I saw in Facebook and social media. If you see this boy face, you will pity for that boy. What is your face? He and somebody do business. He eat the person money and be dodging the person catch him and beat hell out of that boy. I pity for that boy. That is why I'm making this video. People, I am in the street. You call yourself a hustler. A hustler means you are hustling to better your life. When you hustle business with somebody, they pay you money. Give the person his own and take your own. The person will trust you to do more business. Not you and person do business. You eat very much. You eat thank you. You begin to run away. They go and buy Benz, carry women up and down. They hail you. One day the person will catch you. He will treat you like a common criminal. There's one that happened this Europe. A boy eat person money, and that person go to Africa and made that person mad. He's running mad now. This is the consequence of it. Stop eating person money. If you and person do business, please, hustlers, people that say they are in the street, give the person his own money and take your own. Stop eating people's money. There are some people, their heart is very, very wicked. They cannot even forgive you on earth. No matter how many years it takes, once they get you, they will treat you like a common criminal. They will kill you. Stop eating people's money. When you do business with person, go and give the person his own share. Take your own share. No matter how little your own is, manage it. The person will trust you and the person will be more to do business with you. That is why I'm advising people that call themselves hustler. I am a hustler. I am hustling. I am hustler. You hustle. You eat person's sweat. You say you're hustling. That is not hustling. This is not hustling. The person you are eating his money is still hustling to better his life. You eat your own and eat the person money. How the person be looking at you? Some boys now, these young boys now, because they want to make it fast. That is people advising. They want to make it fast. By eating any money they see, they eat it. They see doesn't care. What matters that I make the money. He cares. Your life matters. Trust matters. They don't care. Anyhow I make the money. Once I make the money, people will respect me. I know people will respect you, but don't eat other people's money. People are wicked right now. People have unforgiving spirit. They can never forgive you. No matter how years it takes. Once they get you, or even they don't get you, go back to your family. Begin to deal with your family. Understand? There are some young people now that see them mad. See them die. What kill them? Because they eat much. Eat thank you. You do business with somebody, you eat the money, you eat your own, you eat the person money, you say you are hustling, you are in the street. It doesn't matter. What matters is that I make the money and people must respect me. I make the money. No matter how they come, I make the money. I'm making this video for you. Stop eating people's money. Stop eating people's money. I know that you are hustling. Hustle with clear hand and pray to God. Patient. One day, what you are hustling will come to manifest. You understand? Even you don't make it this year, you can make it next year. But let your hand be clear like this. You pray to God, you patient and wait for God time. And God will bless you. Cool money. Bam, 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 boom, 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 boom. If you know yourself, the pocket will full. It's better than full rush, a rush. You get it. Tomorrow you get problem. What do you prefer? That is why I'm making this video. For you to think. I know that you are hustling in the street, you are hustling, but don't eat people's money. Stop eating people's money. When you do business with somebody, take your own, give the person his own. No matter how little you manage it. My friend having G-Wagon, my friend having S-Best. You don't know how the person make the money. You want to make it like them by eating people's money. Any more that come your own, you grab it and put it in your pocket. You don't care. People have unforgiving spirit right now. People are angry. A lot of people are in madness now. Some people are now dead because of what? Fast money. They eat people's money. That video that made me to make this video, the video I saw, if you see this boy eye, if you see his mouth, they begin to barb his hair. Hey, begin to barb his hair. I saw that video. I said, no. I must make this video to caution people that eating people's sweat. Stop it. It's not good. Eat your own, take your own, give the person their own share. Everybody go. You will live your life. I saw this video. I said, no, I must make this my own video to caution people that eat people's money. Say they are in the street. I'm hustling. This is caution for you. Please. Thank you. This is Jobis TV. Share this video so that many people will watch the video and understand what I mean by this. Thank you.